Hello, in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. So we have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see a logo on your screen. And you are now in recovery mode. And here you have to navigate with volume buttons and select with power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.